Hi, hello there, my name is Kayla and your name is Mork, and welcome to my channel. Mork is with us here today because in today's video we are reviewing the brand new Wet n Wild Coffee Cat palette. Are you a little coffee cat? I don't know about you, but if you throw cat or leopard print on any sort of packaging, the chances of me purchasing it go up by 70%. So I absolutely love the packaging on this. I love the theme of it. It is just so cute, right up my alley. Of course, I love the warm toned brown colors. I'm a warm toned brown kind of lady. I picked up the eyeshadow palette and one of the lip glosses. This eyeshadow palette contains 16 shades and retails for $8.99. You can find this on Ulta.com or on the Wet n Wild website. And the Coffee Cat lip gloss retails for $2.99, and there are two other shades of this. So if you like coffee, if you like cats, I love you so much. If you like makeup, and if you'd like to see how to get this look and my thoughts and opinions on the Coffee Cat eyeshadow palette and a lip gloss, then keep on watching. And before we get into this video, I will go ahead and do swatches of all of these shades on my arm here for you. Here are all of the shades from the first two rows swatched. And here are all of the shades from the last two rows swatched. I did have to go in a few times to get some of the matte shades to swatch, but aside from that, all of these shimmer shades swatched beautifully. So with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look. Alright, so as you can tell, I did go ahead and put on a full face of makeup just so we can dive right into these eyeshadows. So this is what the palette looks like, and in true Wet n Wild fashion, just like all their other palettes, it comes sealed. So this is going to take me a hot minute to break open.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so I broke it open. I haven't smelled this yet. Let's see if it smells like coffee. It smells like coffee. It smells really good. It doesn't smell sweet or anything. It just smells like straight up coffee. With this palette, all of the shade names are on the back. The first shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Make It a Double. The third one in the top row here on a clean Morphe M535 brush, and use this as the transition shade in my crease. Alright, right away there is quite a bit of fallout in the pan. Not sure if you guys can see that, but there's quite a bit of fallout. I personally do not mind fallout in a pan as long as the eyeshadow performs well on my eyes. It's totally fine. If that's something that bothers you, that might be something to consider then, but quite frankly, it does not bother me. Now the second shade I'm going to take is the shade Free Refills, the second shade in the third row here, this warm brown color on my Laura Lee Los Angeles L18 brush, and put this right below where I put the transition shade. Now I'm taking the fourth shade in the third row, Pop Pop Cappuccino, and placing this right below where I put the shade Free Refills on a Morphe M152 brush. Now I'm taking the last shade in the third row, Mocha Me Happy, on a MAC 213 brush, and placing this right on my outer corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the first shade in the first row, Cream and Sugar, and place this on the inner corner of my eyelid with a Morphe E62 brush. Now I'm taking a bit of the shade Just Brew It, the last shade in the first row, on a Morphe M124 brush, and placing this right on the center of my lid. Now I'm taking a tiny bit of the shade No Coffee, No Worky on the same Morphe M124 brush and placing this on the outer part of my lid, just right next to where I put that darker brown shade. I'm just having these two shimmer shades kind of blend into each other. Now I'm going back in with my L'Oreal L18 brush and just softening these two shades. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Free Refills, the second shade in the third row, on my Morphe M506 brush and just placing this right along my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my Morphe M508 brush and dipping into both of these shades, Pop Pop Cappuccino and Mocha Me Happy, and just placing this right on the outer corner of my lower lash line. And I am just lightly tapping this on, just simply stamping it with my brush. Now I'm going back in with my Morphe M506 brush and just lightly blending this out a tiny bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, come back and we'll get into the lip gloss. Alright, so eyeliner and eyelashes are on. I absolutely love the way this look is coming together. Now for lips, before I get into the lip gloss, I did purchase two other lip items from Wet n Wild that I have never ever tried before, and I just thought I would share this with you guys. I purchased a lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. This is one of their gel lip liners. Never tried it. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. Very nice nudie pink brown color, right up my alley. This is a retractable lip liner, so you don't have to sharpen it. It was very creamy. I liked it. Looks pretty. And I also purchased one of their Megalast matte lipsticks. The packaging on this is so pretty. I love the cute little heart detail on it. I got this in the shade Never Nude. Very cute color. I like it a lot. Now the lip gloss shade I got is in the shade No FOMO. I have smelled this already. It smells so good. It smells like coffee. Very glossy. That is really cute. It's not a super vibrant pink and I really like it. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I love the way everything came together. It looks so nice. It's a nice nudie fall moment going on here. It was super easy to create and I'm really happy with the way this turned out. So as far as the Wet n Wild Coffee Cat palette goes, I enjoyed it a lot. I absolutely love the colors in here. These warm toned fall brown colors. It's perfect for this time of the year. There was a little bit of fallout with the colors in the pan, but there was very little to no fallout on my actual face, so that's good. I feel like this is a palette that I'll use pretty often. This is just nice warm toned brown colors. These are my go-to colors. They're easy to work with, easy to build on top of each other, and I think they're perfect for anybody from an expert to a beginner. They're really easy to work with and I really enjoy them. And of course the smell of this, love it, really like it, smells like coffee. As well as the lip gloss, really good, smells like coffee, not a super vibrant pink when you put it on, but still very glossy, and it's pretty comfortable as well. I also really liked the lipstick and the lip liner that I tried out. I'm glad that I got these colors because they paired very well together with the lip gloss. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I used on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social media, so you can go follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. I'm everywhere. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye! Are you a little coffee cat?